Alright, so we've seen these amplifiers on the dyno, on the amplifier dyno, and y'all seen them on my bench test. Well, we went ahead and took the 17Ks out that we ran at NSPL finals, and we threw these little bad boy 3Ks in the back. And we're going to run these for the first part of the season 2019 just to have some fun. You can see we've got a clamp on this amplifier and we've got a clamp on that amplifier. So yep, we've got two clamps going. Right there we've got 15.9 volts. The top voltmeter is the voltage on the caps, and this voltmeter here is the voltage for the rest of the car. So we'll go ahead and turn the power supply off. That way we don't damage it. Already done some testing. 65 hertz is the peak. And the way I set the gains, volume 52 is going to be my maximum voltage, my maximum volume. Alright, so I've got two mics. The screen on the left is sealed on the dash. Screen on the right, the microphone is in the kick. The car is going to be sealed for both. I do know that this car actually gains a couple tenths with the door open in the kick. So, again, 65 hertz, volume 52. Now let's double check our voltage over here. All right, so we're at 15.8 volts. Is it just 2 3Ks? There you go. 7,035 watts on one amplifier and 7,499 watts on the other amplifier. You can see each amplifier is seeing about 1.1, 1.2 ohms. So I've got some little bit of tweaking to do to get the power exactly perfect on both woofers. So anyway, that's what we're going to run first part of the year. You can see we dropped 2 tenths, 3 tenths. There we go, 160 in the kick, almost 161 in the kick with 2 3Ks. But wait a minute, that's 7,000 watts and 7,500 watts on 3Ks. Somebody yesterday was saying that they couldn't barely get 3,200 watts out of a 5K. I'm not gonna name any names, you know who the hell you are.
Haters.
Yep, haters, that's right, haters. So 7,000 watts out of one amplifier, 7,500 out of the other one. And that is in a competition vehicle. Oh, we're back up 15.9 volts. Let's turn it off. Let's reset. Alright, so we'll ignore the sealed score. So this is not going to be valid score for the dash because that's on the glass. But this one right here is in the kick, so let's volume 52, 65 hertz. Oh damn. So we gained a half a decibel with the door open on the kick. That's all I'm worried about right there, 161.1. All right, that's just 2 3Ks. Let me know what y'all think. Orion for the win.
Peace.